This conference will now be recorded.
So yeah. So last time we have discussed about the web parts and service application settings. Some of the settings we have seen. And today we'll talk about some of the features of document library and list. We'll discuss on that. So I have opened my online site and the settings remain same. Like if you go to on-prem or online. So whenever if you open any list in a classic way, the look and feel it will be similar and options also similar in on-prem and online. So let's go to any one of the list here. So we
Is there
well,
any like
yeah.
full screen feature? I don't see like a full screen in the GoToMeeting. It was there in the WebEx. And
uh, there will be here in the top. You can find this. Yeah, enter full screen. It will come.
let me try. I don't know. Like, it says like about GoToMeeting and support. That's it. I don't see like full screen.
Mm, maybe I think some desktop tool will be there. You try in that tool, download it, and
Yeah,
later you can.
yeah, I have
Mm.
downloaded. Like, yeah, I'm using this desktop itself. I have downloaded GoToMeeting for desktop and I'm using that. But whereas on your machine, I see like enter full screen option. But on my machine, I click on the same place, like three dots. When I click here,
Uh,
it's about GoToMeeting and support.
okay, okay. I don't know about this. Maybe I think through browser only it will show. I think try in browser whether it will allow the option or not.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, you can continue. Like I'll check it later.
Okay. So yeah. So this is a classic. No, this is modern list view. We can see this, and also in every list some of the forms will be there, like suppose let's click to classic. So if you go to list and then so, yes, so I'm saying this every list has some of the forms like all items form, new form.aspx, edit.aspx. So this is like suppose if I click on new item, so new form.ax will be there. So but how to customize this form is by using either we can open in a designer and we can do some changes also, or else we can do some info path forms also. We can open this list in info path form and we can do that same thing. Suppose if I save the item here, And if I click on edit item, so the URL will be editform.aspx. So this form also we can customize, like once the user edit that item, so it will be displayed in a different way also by using SharePoint Designer or InfoPath. And
Basically,
this
what is
when
Infopath forms here?
InfoPath, it's a it's a tool actually. InfoPath Designer is a tool.
Okay.
It comes with Microsoft Office. Okay, so you need to install that InfoPath
Infopath
Design.
designer
It's like
tool
a
and
designer kind of.
okay.
Yeah,
So using the Infopath
yeah.
designer, we can create the forms in SharePoint.
Yes, yes. So we not only share, we can open the list and we can see that also, like the form how it looks, but it will
Okay.
not give all the features. Only design perspective, like we can open the SPX forms and we can customize their forms. Hmm?
Okay. So we can view, and if we have permission, we can also edit it and we can modify it.
Yes, yes, yes. So main thing is we need to note down like a display form. Okay, when we click on any item, display form is coming. Okay, when we edit the item, edit form.aspx, and when we click on new item, new form.aspx. So these three forms: new item, edit for item, and view item, view form.aspx. So these three forms are important when we come to some customization for the look and feel of the uh, user forms. Okay.
So what are those three forms you said? Sorry, could you repeat those?
Yeah, new form. You can see this when you click on this item. You can
Uh-huh.
see this display form.aspx. This is the form you can customize. And when we click on new item, suppose if you click on any new item, so new form.aspx, you can see this.
Okay.
And if you edit the form, so like this, edit item, so you can see this edit
Okay.
form.aspx.
Okay. Edit form, new form, and display form.
Mm, yes. So and also when we create a list, by default ID will be assigned to the list. Like I mean, for list GUID will be assigned. For items, ID column will be created by default. So we can see here list settings. Let's go to list settings, and so we can click on the views. Currently ID is the hidden column. Okay, we can't change the content of the what is it, data. We can't change that. It is randomly, it will be generated ID. So so you can see this ID is coming. So like that it will be generated dynamically, 1 2 3 4, like that it will be generated, the IDs. So uh, yeah, this is one of the thing,
So
like
ID is generated by SharePoint itself. Like we can't do that, right?
yeah, we can't do anything,
Yeah.
just dynamically it will generate it. Okay. uh, so next setting is so these three forms are important. That three forms we can customize in SharePoint Designer or in InfoPath. And one option is there here. uh, so in sites list settings, save list as a template. This is also important when we create any list, and if you want to use that list in a different site collection or site, so we can use this list as a template. That means it will be taken as a replica of that list. So suppose I'm just giving the name as list template. Same thing as a template name also. I'm giving as a list template. And you want to include the content or uh, exclude the content also. Just you need to take the design. If you uncheck means Just you can take the design, and if you want the content means you can click on include content, then it will be comes with the data also. So I'm taking as a without design I'm taking. So now it is generated a template operation coverage structure. So to manage the templates, go to list template gallery. So this is the gallery where we can maintain all the templates here, like uh, forever whatever we have saved the list templates, we can see this. Or else we can go to site settings, site settings. You can click on this list templates. The same page it will be opened here. So what is the benefit is, just you can download this copy. Okay, just if you go to this and can click on this. So you can click on this, it will be generated as a .stp file. Okay, so suppose um, if I upload it into different sites, so let's say suppose I will open my different site. Okay, let's say,
So to use in the different side, we need to download it to the local machine and then again import it,
yeah, you need to upload it again.
upload it. Yeah,
You
that's
need
all.
to, yeah, we need to upload it, and then we can use that template. Okay, so let's go to marks. Looks like it's really slow. Let's wait. So yeah, I think you can see here, this is the one we have created, that list template. So you can see the details of this app. Supported by
We don't see anything here, right, under the list templates.
No, no, no. This is I have created. Okay, the template I have created. That is the reason it's showing this. I have given as a different. I should give a the different name. So suppose test. Go to test list. Just go to list settings. Save list as a template. Then I will create as a name as a test template. And I initially I had given list template. That's why it was coming as a list template only. So if I give test temp, okay, I will give this test template description and include the content. Okay, then go to gallery. So I have generated test temp. Okay, same thing. If I go to site content, just add an app and go to this. So here it is two templates created here, like list template and test template. So these are the replicas of the templates of the your list. So if I want to use it in different list means we have to upload that. Let's go to suppose I can create a replica of this site also. Suppose I will give the name. Let's say I can give as this paste replica. Okay, and click on create. So it will create a different list with the same design and same data it will come. So whatever the design you have done, this like suppose 100 columns will be there in the list, and you want to use that list in a different site collection or a different subsite. So what you can do is you just take the template of the site and restore it as a restore it with a different name. So that it will come as a data as well as the structure also, like whatever columns we have created, those columns also it will come.
So
That is
right now
a
we are in the site collection level itself, right? So we haven't navigated to the different site.
yes. Only site collection I'm saying. But if you want to use means the template it will be downloaded here, like the list template it will be
Yeah,
downloaded.
we have already downloaded the list template from the site
Uh,
collection level we have created. So like
uh,
how to use that list template in the different subset or some other site or any other different site collection.
yeah, I'm showing that. So first we need to go to site settings. This is a different site. You can see this. This is the SharePoint Classic, and this is the different site. Okay, just go to the uh, list templates. Where is this list templates?
So we can also
Mm,
use that list template. We can also like upload that list template totally in a different web application also, I think, right?
yeah, not web
Any
application, different site collection. Different site collection also we can do that.
different site collection, but not in the different website. Web application. For
Uh,
example, like right now I am in like development web application, and I want to upload the same list to the staging or like production.
yes, yes, yes. You can
Yeah, we can do
download
that,
this
right?
template.
Yeah, we can
Yeah, you
download
can.
it and I can, like upload the in the different web application also, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Oh,
So suppose in this site only I'm creating one subsite. Let's create one subsite here.
okay.
We'll use this template there.
Sure, sure. Yeah,
Just
that will be better for
yeah,
us.
yeah. Let's go to site content. So in site contents, you can click on new subsite. Okay, I'm creating one subsite here. So it will ask, okay, what is the subsite? Subsite one. Okay, name URL is subsite one. And template you can choose anything, team site or block site or anything. Permissions also same as parent or unique permissions you can give. Click on create.
So for creating the subsite under that site collection, like we have to go to like site settings, right?
Site content.
Site content. Okay, okay.
Yeah, site contents. Site contents, you can see the new button there.
Okay.
In the new button you can create list or library or
Right.
subsites also.
Subsite. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the subsite. In the subsite, let's go to site settings, because list templates we can find in the site settings. So let's open this site settings. Let's go underscore layouts slash settings dot asp. Then I think don't find list templates here. I
Or
think
will it be
this.
there in the site content?
No, no, no. Actually, this online has some of the options are not available here. That is the
Oh,
reason. Yeah, some features we need to activate. Then only that feature it will come.
okay. In the search it, like in like where the list templates are there.
No, 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 no. Actually, usually it should come here. Whenever we are creating any site collection, it will show there. There we can upload it. But uh, activation of this template. We'll do one thing here. We'll create one site collection, then we can see this. The problem is that actually in on-prem sites it will show that whenever we are going to different site collection, it will show that list template option here. But this template is communication template, so that's why they are not giving it. Let's import this sites, active sites. Strange. It should come, but why it is not coming? Let's Sorry that yeah. So actually, they are hidden in the online. Okay, usually in on-prem, it will show the template. Okay, so in that case, what I have done is I have taken that this is the path like catalogs, LT forms all items.asps. So just copy this part and go to different site collection. This is different site collection. If you see this is this the site collection is SharePoint Classic, and this one is developer demo. Okay, so same page I have different if I open list template gallery, it has two templates, but I don't have any template here. So what I will do is I just upload the template here.
No,
So
I'm saying
just
like if we don't have this option in online, like can you try it in on-prem version because you also have an on-prem version, right?
yeah. No, in actually this option sometimes they will give some features like in some of the sites like they don't only give for the end users for this option. So in that sites like communication side they are not giving like that. So in on-prem also it will be same. You no need to search anything for like this. Just go to site settings and you will find list templates. So if you click on site settings in on-prem and then click on list templates, same thing it will be opened in the on-prem. Okay, but this is one kind of a learning like what are the things we can see and what are not we can able to see in the online. That is also important. So just click on this choose file and selection of the template. So this is the downloaded template here. Then click on this. Okay. Just refresh it. I think it is not allowing some restrictions are there. Let's open upload.
Is this some permission issue?
Yeah, maybe that some permission issue because of this template is different. So same thing. Yeah, the process is same. That I will show you in RPM also later because I need to connect the servers and all. Now, if I take, it will take some time. So that's why. First thing is just go to your list. The process is first you go to the list settings and save that template first. Save as a list template and then download the template, and once we download just go to the same template gallery,
Yes.
up, upload it here and click on add app. You will get that option like which is the template you are using in previous like list template or test template, so that it will come as a your replica of the test site
So
test
we have to
list.
click on add an app in the new site.
Add it. Yeah, if you are adding a new list means click on add an app. Same
Okay.
thing it will come as
We
a
can upload the template.
yes.
So can you show me like how to save the list as template? You showed me, but I want to see one more time.
Yeah. Sure. Just go to list settings.
Okay. It should be under the ribbon, right?
No. In the settings say page,
Okay. But
I'll show.
on-prem for the on-prem, like the list settings should be in the ribbon, right? The list ribbon.
No. You can find the two places. One is the ribbon part of some of the things you can see, but for
Okay.
list related information like columns, views,
Okay.
and permissions and all, you can see in the separate page. So
Okay.
usually, if you click on ribbon settings, it will be there. Go to list settings. Okay, list settings you will see. So this is the list related things. It will be there like columns. You can see views. We can see here. So here is views. This is columns and This is the description of the list name and web address of the list. Here, this is the option save list as a template. So here, if you click this,
Oh, okay.
it will ask to save the template.
Yeah,
Whether
got
you
it.
can include this data or not, you can select it and click on OK. It will redirect it to the gallery. Like it will redirect it to list template gallery. Here you can download it and you can use it in a different site collection or different subsites also. Okay, that is useful uh, when we create a large list like some 100 or 200 columns in the list. Is if the developer don't want to create again in the staging or any other environment, just they can download this template and they can use it in a different site. This is a reusability, we can say that without any development work,
Creating
we
again,
can
and yeah,
directly use it.
not creating again, you just can
Yeah.
use the list as a template to different sites.
Mm. Same thing, the list we are maintaining here also. This is also one option. Save site as a template. Suppose this is one of the site, and I want to take a template of the site, like whatever the documents and whatever the lists and also there. So I can take it as a template. So here also see the template file name it is asking, template name, and whether you want to include the content like list, whatever lists are there, you want to
Okay.
include it or not. You can say this stp site template one.
So if we like save the site as template, and if we upload it to the different site collection, so like everything will come under so everything will be created which are there under site, right? So for example, like list, libraries and everything, right?
Yes, 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 yeah.
So instead of that,
So
we can also simply migrate it, right? We can also migrate it using ShareGate or something instead of doing all this.
yeah, that also we can do, but out of box, like whatever out of box, it will
Okay,
be
okay.
stored in the site templates.
Yeah,
But
even like user can do that. For example, this way, even users who has permission can do that.
yeah, yeah. So, but custom things we can't migrate, right? So then you have to go to ShareGate and do that custom. So here we can see that it is created as a template, site template, and just so this saved under solution gallery. This is nothing but a sandbox solutions. Okay, it is like one library where you can upload this template and then you can use it. So you can download it also. Yes.
So that is
So,
mandatory, right? Downloading it.
suppose you want to use it in a different site, means you need to download it and upload it there. Right?
Correct, correct. So we cannot do it directly from the SharePoint level, right?
Mm,
But do it on download on our local machine and again upload. Okay. Just like
mm.
this.
So now you can see this difference. The downloaded versions, the list template it starts with HTTP.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah,
Extensions are
and yeah, list template. This is a site template. It is as a WSP, Windows Solution Package. This is so WSP. I think this is the important topic for admins. Like whenever if your developer is giving one package in the form of WSP only, because they
okay.
build the whatever solutions and all. They will give it as a WSP to you to deploy it in a site collection or a form. So that you will take this one and you will upload. If it is a sandbox solution and form solution, there are two types are there. I'll explain you that while creating the custom solutions. Okay, so these solutions will take and we will run the PowerShell commands. Okay, how to deploy the solutions and all.
Okay.
Using the PowerShell commands you can deploy the solutions. Okay,
So basically,
so
we'll be deploying on IAS, right?
um, yes, no, no, IAS is web server. Okay, where we'll deploy through central admin. We'll see one section called form solutions. Okay,
Yes.
that we will cover tomorrow. The form solution and sandbox solutions. Okay, we'll cover
Okay.
tomorrow.
So this WSP
Usually,
is web solution
yeah,
package.
yeah, web solution package.
And
Basically,
what
if
does that
you
STP
see,
means? Like list template.
yeah, list templates.
STP means like is there
Let me
any
call. We can say this as a site template, I guess. Not sure, but STP we
like
call.
template package?
Uh, Site template package, we can say that. Windows solution package, we can say that.
Okay.
WSP.
No, just for remembering, I'm asking.
So, okay, okay, yeah. So this package is what it will be there is just if you see the extraction of this file. Uh,
So we can extract using WinZip.
yeah, yeah, we can extract also.
Even STP also we can open it using WinZip.
Yes, 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 yes. So that is nothing but a package. You can say that
Yeah, yeah.
the
Just like var file or jar file in Java also we do the same. Like
yeah. So in Java you call war file, but
correct.
in SharePoint WSP it will be there. Inside that, all
Yeah,
the DLLs or
correct, correct.
ASPX pages, everything it will be packaged.
So all the required code will be there.
Yeah, I think we need to change it. Its properties.
So basically, in for var file, what we do is like we rename it as dot zip, then we unzip it using WinZip. So here
Okay,
at
I think
like you don't have to change the extension name, or you can directly unzip.
okay. Yeah, I think here also same procedure. Uh,
We have to
let's
like
rename.
make it as zip. We have to change the extension to zip, I think.
Okay, let's make it to dot zip.
Yes.
Okay, let's extract it. Actually, there is one process will be there like WSP extraction. One second, I'll check that. WSP extract WSP.
Can we unzip it using PowerShell?
PowerShell is not required. Actually, WinZip only it will do that.
Okay.
Let's go to rename cab. Okay, we need to rename it as a cab like this.
Okay.
Sorry, just go
Dot
to
CAB.
yeah,
Okay.
change it to just cab. Yeah, I think you can see this, right? Like,
Yeah, yeah.
actually, the icon is it coming like that, but the thing is, manifest is there, list instance, list modules, site template properties,
Hello? Hello, I can't hear you. Hello? How is the chicken man? Hello? Yeah, Krishna, this is Shravan. Yeah, I can't hear you. No, no, no. You're still there, but I can't hear you anything. Like when I'm talking to you, like I don't hear anything from you. It's not disconnected actually. I can still see like it's still sharing. Your screen is still sharing. The only problem with audio, I don't know. I can't hear anything from GoToMeeting. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, now I can hear you, Krishna.
Okay, okay. Actually, my firewall is blocking the connection. Okay, because sometimes it will block the connection. That's why. So you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was saying that this is the cap file. Usually, it contains all the contents of the uh,
Right.
package, you can say that. So developers, what they do is they build the solution by in the form of WSP. Okay, so in Visual Studio they build the ASPX page, HTML XML pages, and they build the package. There only Visual Studio give the option to build the solution. Okay, so once they build the solution, that solution will be given to the admins, SharePoint admins. So what they will do is they will run the PowerShell commands to deploy the solutions in the SharePoint.
Also, how the WSP package is created by using Visual Studio?
Yeah, so there some option will be there. Once you the developer perspective, once they click on the solution and build the solution, it will say that it will package it all the things and it will give as a output as a WSP file. That file we will deploy it in a central admin in the form
Something like
solution.
JavaScript or something like I don't know like what you use in .NET, but whereas in Java we use like Ant or Maven for building it as a var file.
Yes, yes. That is the that tools help to package the contents. Okay. Same thing in Visual Studio. MS Build will be there. The
Oh,
tool it builds the contents whatever we developed in the Visual Studio. That all it will be built by using MS Build and it will package it and it will give as a Windows Solution package. That is WSP. That package it will be used in the deployment.
okay.
So
I can see like all
yeah.
XML files here. Like, are there any like code files like C sharp? I
Mhm.
don't know like .NET source files. I mean,
Yeah, it should be because this is out of box. Most of the things are they maintained in XML. Okay, but
oh,
custom solutions, you will see things like ASPX pages, HTML pages, and all it will be there. In
yeah.
this, I'll show you that also once we start in the Visual Studio development.
Okay,
We'll
okay.
build one sample solution and then we'll extract that what are the things inside the.
Yeah, yeah. That's. I'm just asking like since we are in that context, so I'm just asking.
It can contain, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So list templates and site templates, these are the two things important to
So this
maintain a
like
re
whenever we create like site template, it is also just like in the form of WSP,
yeah,
just
yeah.
like any solution. Okay.
Solution, and this is HTTP site template. You can say that list template.
Okay.
HTTP means site template.
This
So
template, right?
yeah, yeah, list template. Okay, fine. So Do you want to continue? We'll take a break today and then we'll continue tomorrow. How is that?
Yeah, yeah, sure. But actually, like I thought of like if you have like a few minutes, like can you see that central admin issue in my development environment?
Okay, okay, you share your screen. We'll see that.
Yeah,
Because
actually,
I'm not.
it's on
We'll
my
try
office.
that. Mm-hmm. Sure,
It's on my
sure.
office
Yeah.
laptop. So, like, do you have like can I use the same WebEx link?
Yes, yes, yes. You can
Okay, yeah,
just
we can then.
open in browser. Browser. It will ask for the ID. Just you can
I
enter
have
that
like
and.
WebEx link which you have sent to me earlier, like last week. Can I use the same
Uh,
WebEx link on my office laptop?
yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay, because like GoTo is not there in my office laptop, so that's the reason I'm asking. GoTo meeting is not there.
Yes, yes, it will allow Webex meeting. It will allow.
Okay, yeah, let
So,
me let me.
I will stop the recording.
Yeah, you can stop this one. You can stop this GoTo meeting for now.
Okay. So